Hey guys, welcome back. We are back at the fateful house that started all this YouTube madness many years ago. And this is my buddy's house and he's moving away. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of what we're doing today. We're gonna be cleaning up the house and we're gonna be throwing down some laminate wood flooring. No, vinyl laminate. So enjoy the show. Thanks. All right, a quick review of what we've done in the past 3 days. This is the new vinyl flooring we got from Costco, and it's installed throughout this house. Now we still got the, I still got to put the quarter rounds around the edges, but it shouldn't be too difficult given what we've already been through. So, yeah, it's been a very educational and rewarding installation process. So if you're looking to do this yourself, it can be done. You'll just need the tools that'll be listed in the description below. And I hope this helps you. Good luck.